This is my new favorite garden tool, and it is a beast. This is the Root Slayer shovel. Kind of has like a little bit of a transplanter look to it. Makes cutting through stuff easy. 44.5 inches long. It weighs 5 pounds, 12 ounces. We got 10.5 inches this way and about 7.5 inches across right here. Totally made out of a powder coated carbon steel right here. It is really, really well built. I don't know what this handle's made out of. It's some kind of thick resin type material, I guess. I don't even know. It is really well done. Riveted through right here. At first, I didn't know if I was gonna like this circular handle, but it really makes things convenient, you know. I can hold on to it with 2 hands like this, drive it this way if I wanted to, one-handed. Another thing too, with this shape on here, probably great for removing old bushes, old trees, maybe even some transplanter type of stuff. This is all rocky soil right here. I can just keep going if I wanted to. That is something else. Wow. It's the end of that. No more roots under my shed. Looks like I picked the wrong day to do this because it's wet and muddy, but man, that was fun. Root Slayer.